This is Toby Preacher from Games.dev, and you're watching the game development of Oh My Zombie. I want to give you a really quick update on what I'm doing. You can see here's some new UI over there, and this is going to be a crafting menu I'm working on, following along with a tutorial from the awesome one and only Code Monkey. I will link it down in the description if you want to check it out. And you can see here I got this bone asset here. It's scaled up a little bit, but you will be able to drag it over here and drop it in here. You see it's not working completely at the moment, but that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm developing right now, having this drag and drop mechanism here so that you can drag and drop items in and out. So this is what I'm doing. I will not live record it because that's gonna be boring for you to watch if I am following around a tutorial. But what I want to ask you in this video is, how are you doing in these times? And I got some thoughts about what's going on here with the world and with this coronavirus and this whole situation. And what I'm mostly thinking about and of is many people are staying at home, including me, and I have the fortune to have a secure job in the healthcare industry, and I can work from home and have my usual schedule and everything. But many people don't have, and but what they have is some extra time. And one of the things that are very important to me right now at the moment is to educate myself, to take my time and put it into investing in my own knowledge. So in my case, learning new stuff here with programming, with game development, with Unity and C#, but also, and I think that's a pretty important thing, also get yourself a little bit of financial education, because I think there will be some disruptive trends in the whole market and in the whole employment situation, and how businesses are going, and how businesses will fail, some of the small ones. And I think it's good to have a solid base of knowledge of that. And you can go around YouTube and search for these things. And I will not promote any here, but you can ask me down in the comments if you want to know where to start getting some basic knowledge. And what I also like to know is what are you doing with your time? Are you watching on Netflix the whole day, or are you sitting down and doing some awesome stuff related to gaining knowledge, to do your own project, to take care of your own kind of projects or businesses or whatever? So this is just something I wanted to talk about to you and want to share what I'm thinking about of. And I'm excited to hear what is your opinion on this whole thing, on this whole situation. And feel free to let me know down in the comments. I will answer that as soon as I can. And maybe we can have some conversation about this. So with that said, I hope you stay safe. I hope you stay healthy, and I wish you that you also stay happy and have a positive mind and go forward and do your own stuff and do what makes you happy, actually. And one thing I want to say, just get rid of that fear. I personally, in my life, the first about 2 or 3 weeks of this whole lockdown situation was filled with fear. And then I decided to leave it behind and just keep the respect of it. Stay safe, don't be stupid, but let go of the fear and just think about what you can do and how you can get the most value out of this and do positive things that will pay off for you in the long run. And so this is just something I wanted to talk about and share with you. And so I will see you in next week. Now today is Friday, so it's the last working day for me. But on Monday I will be back here on track doing more of that stuff. You will see another video from me, and we can talk about all that stuff. Let me know down in the comments. I see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.